Hi, Jose Schmidt with Hair Transplants of Florida with more hair restoration information for you. So today we're going to talk about why we feel that we're the best option for hair restoration patients in Southwest Florida. Today I'm speaking to you from our Fort Myers Surgery Center. And in Southwest Florida, basically you have three options. You have national company Bosley, you have a couple of plastic surgeons, and then you have us. With Bosley, you do consultation in Fort Myers. You travel all the way to Boca Raton for surgery. And as we know, more expensive. A lot of TV commercials, and somebody has to pay for it. Your other options are plastic surgeons. They only offer the FUE method, and they are not hair transplant specialists. They will have a technician do your full surgery while the doctor is doing something else next door, which we highly recommend you do not do. Your other option is us, Hair Transplants of Florida. Dr. Botta is our surgeon. He's a board certified cosmetic surgeon. He's been involved with hair for over 25 years. He's done over 11,000 hair transplant surgeries, and the only thing we specialize in, the only thing we do is hair restoration. Our team as well. We have a great team of technicians that have been doing hair for over 20 years, even worked on me many years ago, and all they do is hair transplant. That's it. So we're the specialist. We're here in Fort Myers, Florida. You do surgery. You're charged a very fair price compared to others. And after surgery, you're home in 15-20 minutes. For follow-ups, you're very close by. And if you ever need anything, I'm 24/7 over the phone. I'm here to answer any questions you have and guide you through the process. So if you guys have any questions, if you want to set up a complimentary consultation, you can reach us at 239-277-9000, and you can check us out at hairtransplantsofFlorida.com. We look forward to hearing from you.